Hello, my name is Sama Soltani from Safe Real Estate. Today, we are at Cicada Crest with one of my colleagues. Can you please introduce yourself?
I'm Maurice Odera, Clerk of Works, Cicada Crest Apartment. I'm going to take you through the main progress of Cicada. The lift bays, column bases, RC wall are done 100%. Lift shaft is done 100% from basement 2 to third floor. Plastering from basement 1 to ground floor is done 100% on walls, columns and beams.
Nice.
Partitioning for the units on the first typical floor is ongoing.
Okay.
Columns to the fourth floor.
To the fourth floor, yeah.
To the fourth floor, section B is 100% done. Casting of third floor slab is 100% done on section B. Reinforcement for the fourth floor slab is 80% done also on section B. Columns to the fifth floor block A is 100% done. Formwork of the fifth floor slab is 100% done too. Reinforcement to the fifth floor slab is 50% done
On block A.
on block A. Yeah.